Hello, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to share Facebook Reel to TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Facebook account. The next thing is to click on your profile icon. Scroll down, click on the reel you want to share to your TikTok. Click on the share icon. Looking at these options, you're going to see that there's no option for TikTok here. Just copy the link, head straight to any browser of your choice. On the browser, you just have to type in fdown.net. Paste. Download video in normal quality. So now I have successfully downloaded this file on my device. I just have to go to my gallery, go to video. You can see that the file has been automatically downloaded to my gallery. So what I have to do from here is to go to my TikTok app. So on my TikTok app, I can now post this video by clicking on the plus icon found at the bottom of my screen. Select post, click on the gallery option beside the camera, click on the video that I want to upload, click on next. If you want to add sound, you can add sound, click on next. Now you can add the link you want to add, and now you can now post by clicking on this post option. Add your description and this close to the video. So guys, that is it on how to share Facebook Reels to your TikTok. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.